Hello. In this video, I'll be walking through how to use the NLP Suite's CoNLL Table Analyzer. This interface provides several options for exploring your corpus's CoNLL table. Today, I'll be using the Three Little Pigs, which is one of the sample documents that's included with the NLP Suite. Unlike some of the other tools in the NLP Suite, this GUI cannot take plain text documents or corpus directories as input. Instead, it requires a CSV file representing the CoNLL table you wish to analyze. You may see this pop up with more details when you launch the GUI. The Parsers and Annotators GUI, shown here and accessible under the Corpus/Document Analysis Tools drop-down menu, can be used to generate a CoNLL table for your document or corpus, if you don't already have one. Note that CoNLL tables generated by Stanford CoreNLP will work with this analyzer, so if you face issues with other table formats, try regenerating it using CoreNLP. For the purposes of this video, I will assume that you already have a CoNLL file and that you have successfully selected it in this GUI's input configuration. This first option allows us to perform an analysis of clauses, nouns, verbs, and function words, and view their distribution throughout the CoNLL table. The default option is to run all of these analyses, although you can run them individually if you'd like. Running this tool produces several outputs, including frequency distributions of auxiliary verbs, conjunctions, and pronouns, as well as noun dependency relations and part-of-speech tags, and verb modality, voice, and tense analyses. The CSV files containing the raw data for these charts is also output. This next option allows us to search for specific tokens within the CoNLL table and explore their syntactic dependencies. We can use the following options to narrow and refine our search. In this first text box, enter the base token you want to search for. You can then select whether you want to search for this token as a form or as a lemma. You can also filter by the part-of-speech tag and dependency relation of the token you specified. For an in-depth explanation of these part-of-speech and dependency relation tags and how to use these filters, please read the associated NLP tips files. The following two filters apply to the linked word we want to find. For instance, if we wanted to find all adjectives used to describe the pigs, we could select adjectives here and adjectival modifiers here. Take some time to explore the different filters and options available. This analysis produces a CSV file with the results of our search. As you can see, this file contains lots of useful information, including the adjectives that were found, as well as the lemmatized sentences in which they were found. The next option allows us to analyze the first and last several sentences from each document and look for similarities and differences. For this example, I'll take a look at the first 3 sentences and the last 3 sentences of the story. Running this analysis produces a few different files and graphs. These include the frequencies of commonly repeated words and the distributions of different parts of speech for the first and last sentences. As usual, the CSV files containing the raw data for these charts is also available. The Compute Sentence Table option will create an additional CSV file with the sentences of each document along with some associated statistics. This will be generated in the same directory as your input CoNLL file. Finally, this button will open another interface with more tools for exploring the CoNLL table. I hope this video answered your questions about how to use the NLP Suite's CoNLL Table Analyzer. I wish you the best of luck in your exploration.